Professor Jones was an accomplished scholar, a recognized expert in the field. He had worked for Big Pharma for 20-odd years, and yet one day, everything changed and was never to be the same. He received an official letter. Due to financial constraints and other unforeseeable circumstances, his contract with Big Pharma was not to be extended. Professor Jones was devastated. He instantly contacted his colleagues. A few of them had received the very same letter. Then he called the big recruiters. There were plenty of new roles, options, and opportunities on offer, but regrettably, nothing in the niche area of institutional cognitive thrombosis. But Professor Jones had a better idea. He was an expert, and he thought he knew everything, and so did Big Pharma. And there were people out there happy to pay for Professor Jones' intelligence on PHARMiQUEST, Health Intelligence Exchange. After a quick look at intelligence requests listed on the site, Professor Jones realized that he could earn several $100s with little effort just by answering a question. Or he could share his valuable insights from that conference in Florence and make an extra 1,000. Or that he could team up with Lena from Vladivostok and do a little research for 50,000. Or that he could be a well-paid expert reviewer. Or that he could contribute to non-profit orphan projects on PharMiQuest pro bono, the much-needed feel-good factor. He could also simply offer his intelligence and watch other experts bid for his precious time. And it was not just pharma experts and managers who needed his help. On a regular basis, he was approached by journalists, PR companies, investment bankers, and governments. Naturally, Professor Jones would not want all of his colleagues to know exactly what he was doing, so he set up both high profile and low profile to manage his privacy and public image accordingly. After 3 months on PharMiQuest, Professor Jones was not only making more money than on his Big Pharma contract, but he also had his freedom back and possibly even managed to escape his midlife crisis. And he did continue to work for Big Pharma, though now they had to pay double for his intelligence. Life couldn't be easier, and it became easier to enjoy life.